Welcome back, food lovers. This is Colin and my channel, Culinary Delights. Today we're tackling a recipe that's as sweet as your grandma's compliments. Sweetened condensed milk. But why buy it when you can make it at home and feel like a kitchen whiz? Let's get started. You only need 4 ingredients for this amazing concoction. That's right, just 4. You will need 2 cups of full cream milk powder, 1 1/4 cups white sugar, 1 cup of water, and a pinch of salt. First up, pour the sugar into a saucepan and add the water to it. Bring it to a boil while stirring to ensure that the sugar doesn't stick to the bottom. Once the sugar and water has formed a type of a syrup, remove off the stove top. Now pour the syrup into a bowl of a stand mixer. Then add the milk powder, which has the pinch of salt already added to it. Turn the mixer onto a low level until all the powder has combined with the syrup. And once that is done, turn the speed to medium and let the mixture mix further. Stop the mixer and use a spatula and to scrape the sides of the bowl to get everything back into the mixture. Once that has been done, turn off the mixer and pour the freshly made condensed milk into sterilized jars. Make sure they're sterilized. This will make about 1.5 250 milliliter jars of condensed milk. The mix will thicken once it has been placed in the refrigerator and left to rest. Here is a tip. For the best results and a smoother consistency, I would recommend using a blender rather than a stand mixer. You'll know it's done when the mixture is thick and creamy. It's like a hug in liquid form. And here it is, homemade sweetened condensed milk. Store it in an airtight container or just grab a spoon and live your best life now. Use it in desserts, coffee, or even straight out of the jar. Hey, no judgment here. Let's give it a try. Tastes like love and childhood memories. Now that's lekker. If this video has made you crave dessert or a coffee with condensed milk, then go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe and tell your friends. Now go forth and sweeten your world.